Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video, and let me get the table topic for today. The table topic for today is what country I want to visit and why. What country I want to visit and why. What country I want to visit and why. So for me, first I would want to visit the country first is the India. It's not that I'm living in India, and it might sound that it's not making sense, but let me tell you, India is a diverse country. It has uh, people from diverse background, various culture has come together, and it's people say it's a mystery that India is still a one nation with so much diversity. So there are places that I would want to visit in the country itself. The northeastern region I would want to visit. I want to see the beauty and the culture. There I would also want to visit more about the Leh Ladakh Kashmir part. Would want to understand how do they live. Then I would want to understand the remote central part of the India, where you would get to know the kind of people they live in, the kind of adversity or what culture they had. So there are so many places in India where I would want to go and embrace the culture that we have, able to appreciate, able to learn about them. So many things to learn and uh, experience within India as well. After visiting the India fully, if visit every state, every part of India, then I might think about let's explore the other parts of India. Then I would explore first the Europe part. Why Europe? Because the Europe, uh, I read a difference between Europe and US, the West part. So the Europe people are more about living, the US people more about the work. So that experience I would want to get it. How do people they live in? What kind of things they do? So yeah, that's it. These are the places that I would want to visit. First, I would want to visit the whole country itself. That is India. Thank you.